No, don't open the window. Don't open the window.
Shut up.
It's not gonna attack you. Deliver it. It's not gonna attack you. It only attacks if you're gonna try to take it. Can you take it? And that's not even the adult, that's the child. The adult is over there. There's one on the fence and there's one in the bottom. The mother's usually hangs up and the father's usually in the bottom watching.